Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. Hope everybody's keeping safe and well. Well, this is going to be quite a quick, short, easy one for you. For those of you that can remember, I don't know whether you can remember when we had our trip in France. We had one of our Milenco mirrors cracked just here, if you can see the crack there, and I had to make this temporary repair with the tie wrap because the problem was it wasn't holding and staying in position. I've ordered a new one online, relatively easy to get hold of. I can put the links down below. So not going to take me long, but I'm just going to go through with you guys how to replace these. So I've got my universal screwdriver or toolkit that I keep in the Caravan. I don't know whether you can see that there. This camera is just so you can see what's going on the top here. So let's take the driver, let's take one of these posi bits, although it isn't a posi. Let's take that, undo that from there. Like so. They're quite long screws. There we go. So let's make sure we don't lose that screw, so let's just put that inside there. It is a question then of literally just pulling this arm out. We'll keep it that way round so that we can remember, and all I'm really going to do with this now is throw this in the bin. So now we get into these things. Oh, I hate these things, trying to get inside them. Let's try and, I should have bought a knife or a pair of scissors with me. I have got a knife and a pair of scissors somewhere in the Caravan. But these Tetra Pak things do get on your nerves. Here we go, we're starting to make headway there now. So they aren't handed. You can use these things either on the left or the right hand side, depending whichever way round. So I've only bought one. Let's just check they're the same. Yeah, they're both the concave. No, they're not. Right, I've bought not that it will really make any difference. So I've bought the flat version, not the concave version, and I don't know whether you'll be able to tell in there, but basically the difference with that is means that you appear closer in one of the others. But ho. Yep, never mind. Right, so let's stick this back in there. So again, we're just going to line those holes up like we did before. It's a little bit tough to get in. Here we go. Right, so those holes are lined up in there. Get the screwdriver. Let's put a proper end on, the non-posi one. Let's put it in there. Make sure that goes in there a little bit better. There we go. And then let's start to screw this home. Put this away, put those back. And that, as they say, is the mirror changed. We'll see how I get on actually. Does it say on here? So this is just says patented, doesn't say which style it is. No. Yep, the old one makes you look closer, but you know what? This one might be alright. We'll see how it goes. Does it say on here? Grand Aero mirror. Yeah, convex mirror head. I thought I'd got the convex one, that's why I ordered the convex one. Maybe what I'll do, they weren't expensive, but I'll put a link below. Maybe I'll get another convex head for the other side and sort that out as well. Anyway, hope you found that useful. Thank you very much for watching. We do like to try and bring these little tips and tricks for you every now and again, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when we put out a new vlog.